Righty-ho, now we're going to look at changing some of the content on a page. Now the best way to determine what page we want to view is once we're in the dashboard and we're logged in, we left click on the pages and this will bring up all the pages that we have inside of our website. And let's say for example we want to change the text on our main menu. So we simply left click on the main menu once it's been highlighted, and this brings up our editing window. Now there are two main things we need to be aware of. One is the visual tab and the second is the HTML tab. Now for plain text we can simply write this inside of the visual tab. However, if we wanted to have a hyperlink that links to a document that we've uploaded onto our website or to another website, or in fact an email address, then we need to use the HTML tab, but I'll go into that a wee bit later. Now let's say we want to change some of the text in this page here. This is like a standard Word document or editor document, so we can go straight in here and start adding new text. The other thing we could also do is we could open up an existing Word document if we already had some pre-formatted text. I could copy this text and then I could go back to our WordPress site, right click and paste the text in. So as you can see, it's kept the formatting of the text that was inside of the Word document and we've pasted it straight into this page. Now once we've updated this, once we've finished making changes to our page, we can click update. And what I'm going to do first is just open up this page. If we click here, view page, so what I actually want to do is open it in a new tab. So I'm going to right click and select open link in a new tab, and then up here we can see the new tab is opened up, and this is our main menu page before I made any changes. Now if we go back to where we're making the changes, we've just added some new text, I could click update, and now that's going to update all the content on this page, so that when I go back to the main page, if I click F5 to refresh that page, we'll see all the new content that I've added has now gone inside of here. Also, the links, the hyperlinks that were inside that Word document, they have maintained the link path, which we can see in the bottom left hand side of the screen. So this is a very good way of placing text in a Word document and preserving our links at the same time. Now if we go back to our page here, if we have a look what this page now looks like in HTML, you can see here you've just completed the famous installing WordPress, and it has this line of code href equals http:// blah 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 up to here. Now what that is this link here. Okay, so we actually enter all that code in the background there, and this is the hyperlink here, which is href equals http:// and whatever website link we want to put in there, and it's all encapsulated inside of these speech marks. Now once we've finished making these changes, if we're happy with the changes that we've made and we want to edit some more pages, we can simply go back up to the Pages tab, so we can view all the pages on our website, and we can start making more changes to any other pages that we like. If we didn't like some of the text that we had on our page, we may wish to delete some of that, and that's very straightforward as well. We would simply select the text that we don't want, delete it, and then we update those changes. Now if we go back to our main menu page, you'll see all the text is there. If I press F5 and refresh this page, we can see that that text has now been deleted. And that is how we change the content on our pages inside of WordPress. Now, it's not just the pages that we can change the content on, we can also change the content inside of any posts that we may have. So if we click on posts, and we only have one post at the moment, it's called Hello World, so we'll click on that. This is your first post. Edit or delete, then start blogging. Let's say we wanted to add some content here, and I've already gone and copied everything from my Word document, and now I'm going to paste it into the WordPress page that I'm interested in, and I'll update that. If I now go to our WordPress website, and I've got all the blogs and posts pointing to this page, and here's all the text that I have just updated. So you can see it's not very difficult to change the content on your website. All you simply have to remember is if it doesn't have any hyperlinks in it, we can enter text in on the visual tab. If it does have hyperlinks in it, then we need to start adding these manually over here, or we can do what I did here, and I simply added the hyperlinks inside of a Word document and then copied all that and pasted it straight in to the page here.